Hello everyone. Welcome to the FineBI 6.1 Advanced Data Editing course. I believe many of you have encountered the issue where improper data processing in the early stages leads to a very painful visualization process later on. Here, I've used the starting journey of analysis to describe the importance of data editing or processing. This course is mainly divided into the following 3 sections, which also reflect the common sequence of data processing. The first is adjusting and simplifying the data structure. The second is merging multiple tables. The third is adding new analysis indicators. However, this sequence is not fixed for every scenario. In each specific situation, how to apply these functions for the corresponding processing needs to be flexible. This course will primarily follow the chapter division. First, through the PPT, we will get to know these commonly used functions and understand the logic behind them. Finally, we'll have a practical session where all these functions are linked together, and you'll experience the entire data editing process, which will help consolidate your knowledge. Whether it's the PPT or hands-on practice, we'll use the same case throughout the course. We will play the role of a primary school grade leader. Due to the pandemic, our final exam is conducted online. During the holiday, we want to analyze the exam results, but we find that the data quality is quite poor. We will use the data editing features to complete some analysis tasks. Before the course begins, we will get a table like this, where the structure is rather messy. After completing this course, students should be able to process the data into a much cleaner table that is more suitable for visualization.